Hello viewers, welcome to ARP Creation. Hope you are well. Today I am going to show you how can you create this premium class resume template using Canva. So before starting this tutorial, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get new updates. And if you want to edit and use the template, I will attach the template link on the video description. So firstly go to the Canva homepage, then click on create a design, then click on resume. Now go to the element section, then click on this rectangle shape, then increase the shape to the bottom side. Now change the shape color, so click on the color and click on the add new color, then change the color code to 308386. Okay, now we will add a frame, so go to the element section again, then click on the frame, see all option, then go to the downside. You will see a rectangle frame with the outline color. Change the outline color to white, then decrease the shape size to a specific size. Okay, perfect. Now we will add a fixture on the frame, so go to the photos menu, then select a fixture and drag and drop to the frame. Okay, then double click on the fixture, then move this fixture to the right side and increase the fixture. Okay, now we will create contact menu, so go to the text menu, click on add a heading and change it to contact. Change the text alignment to left and the font will be changed to League Spartan and font size will be 13.6. We will change it to all uppercase, so just select it, then click on uppercase. Okay, change the letter spacing to little and change the letter color to white. Okay, now we will add contact icon, so go to the elements again and click on the search box and type contact icon. Now click on the see all, and you will see a icon which symbolize the contact option, so click on this, then resize this icon. Okay, now we will add a rectangle shape, so go to the element section again and click on the rectangle shape and change the color to white. Okay, now move the contact icon to this, now move this rectangle after the contact icon. So just select and click on the right side and click on layer and the send backward option. Okay, now change this icon color to this blue color. Okay, now we will add another line shape. So go to the element section again and click on line and change the line white to 1 and the color to white. Now we will add another text. So go to the text again and click on add a subheading and change it to the font. Color will be white and the font will be Garrett. Okay, and change the and move this text to the right side and change the font to 13.6. Okay, and make the text direction to left direction. Now we'll add another text. So press Alt from the keyboard and drag and drop this text layer and change the font to Garrett regular. So please uncheck it and change the font size to 8 point. Okay, now we'll change the font to Garrett book. So click on the font and click on the icon and click on book. Okay, perfect. Now just select this two text layer and press Alt from the keyboard and duplicate it and move it to the downside. Again duplicate it, move to the downside. So we will just rename this text layer email and address. We will change the text also. I just skip it. Now we will add phone icon, email icon, and address icon. So select the rectangle layer and press Ctrl C from the keyboard and Ctrl B. So it will duplicate this rectangle shape. Now go to the element section again, then click on the search box and search phone icon. Also email icon. Also address icon. Okay. So now we'll reduce the size of this icon. Just select and press Shift Ultra from the keyboard and reduce the size of the icon and change the icon color to blue color. Also reduce this. Okay, and select the rectangle again. Press Ctrl C from the keyboard. Press and Ctrl B. Also duplicate again. Okay, now we'll move this to the back side. So select and click on the mouse right side and you will see the layer menu and click on send backward. Okay, So we will just reduce it to fit in the rectangle. Okay, and we will change the icon color to blue. Also this. Okay, now we'll create the skill section. So just select this and click on shift and click on the rectangle to unselect the background rectangle. Then press alt from the keyboard and move the mouse to the downside. Okay, it will be the skills section. So just rename it. Okay, now we'll add a text of the skill. So select this text layer and press alt from the keyboard to duplicate it and rename it to project management. Okay, now go to the element section and search progress bar. Change the line weight to 5 and the percentage will be 85, and click on the percentage 11, check option and uncheck the rounded endpoints. Okay, just increase it. Change the font size to 6. Okay, and change the font color to white. Change the font to Garrett. Now we will increase the progress bar size. Okay, and change the progress bar color. The up shape color will be white and the back shape color will be blue. Okay, perfect. Now we will duplicate this. So just select it and press shift to uncheck the background rectangle shape. Then duplicate it for 4 times. So press alt on the keyboard and move the mouse to the downside. Again, again, again. You will rename this text. I am just skipping it. Also the percentage. So we have just created our skill section. Now we will create the reference section. So just select this and press shift to uncheck it and press alt on the keyboard to duplicate this skills heading. Now double click on the skills to rename it to reference. Okay, you can change this icon also. I am just skipping it. So now select this again and press alt from the keyboard and duplicate it and move it to the downside. Font will be 10.5 and it will be 9.6. Just rename it to a name and put details of this person. Click on the spacing option and reduce the line spacing. Okay. Now press Alt on the keyboard to duplicate this two text layer again and move it to the downside. Now select this rectangle shape and click on duplicate. Select this line shape and change the line weight to 1 and reduce the line size and rotate it to 90 degree. Okay, we have just created the reference section. Now we'll go to the right side of the resume. So we will add name of this person and the title. So select this layer and press Alt from the keyboard and change the font color to black and change the font to Poppins Light and change it to Isabel. Change the font size to 37.5. Okay. Change the spacing to 0. Now duplicate this text layer again. Press Alt on the keyboard and change the font color to blue and the font will be medium. The font size will be 36.5. Okay. Now we will duplicate this again and change the text to change the font size to 16.3. Okay. Also the font will be Poppins regular. Now we will add about me section. So just select this skill section and press Alt from the keyboard and increase the size. Okay. Now change this rectangle shape to blue color and the icon to white color. You can change the icon, just go to the element section and click on profile icon. Now we will change this skill to about me. Change the font color to blue. Now we will add a text layer. So select this and duplicate it and put dummy text to this text layer. So we have already the dummy text. So just copy the lorem ipsum and put it here. Change this font size to 7.7. Okay. Change the text alignment to justify Okay, we have just created the about me section. Now we create work experience. So just select it and duplicate it and change it to work experience. Now we'll add another text layer. It will be date range and change the font to Garrett. Font size will be 9.6 and to change the font style to bold. Now duplicate it change it to title and company name. Now we'll add another text layer. So just select it and press Alt on the keyboard and duplicate it. Select and click on list. Okay. Now we will select this text layers and duplicate it for 2 times. Now go to the element section and search square outline and click on this and change the color to blue, then duplicate it. Also duplicate this. Now we'll add a line shape. So just select this and press duplicate and rotate it to 90 degree. Okay. Change the line width to 1. Now it is the line width size. Then duplicate it and move it to the downside. Okay. We have just created the work experience section. Now we will create education history section. So just select it, this, all these layers and press duplicate and move it to the downside and change it to education. You will edit these text layers. I am just skipping it. So we have just completed our resume. Hope you guys learned how to create this type of resume template in Canva. Thanks everyone. Have a wonderful day.